A lot of our clients are asking us about barn doors. It's a very popular consideration in today's homes. Today we'll show you how we installed this set of double barn doors, as well as interior tongue and groove planking and metal wainscoting in the garage. The first step is to install the large headers above the doorway. Although the log walls are round, we specified for the header trim to be a flat timber so that we had a consistent surface to anchor the mounting hardware to. This header matches the rest of the interior log and timbers, and it really looks appropriate for this house. Next, we pre-drill the mounting hardware. Now we'll install the leg bolts. Before continuing, we make sure that the track is level. This step is really important because you don't want the door to run along the track on its own. Next, we'll install the heavy-duty door mounts and casters. We'll begin by pre-drilling. Next, we install the bolts. Now we're ready to attach the door to the track. Now we can install the end stop using a hex key. We repeat the process with the other door. Above the door, we install the top cap, which keeps it snug against this track here. And then on the bottom, there are actually floor guides, which are grooves along the bottom of the door. So what we do is we install a T-track on the floor here, and then those grooves allow the door to follow that track. That prevents the door from swinging back and forth. Today's barn doors have come a long way. There's even a soft close and a soft open feature that is available. Additionally, a lot of people like to think about the door hardware. This client chose recessed finger pulls for the door hardware. Other popular considerations are having an actual metal door pull on the door, or just simply no door pull at all. Something that's kind of neat, considering that this is a bathroom area, is on the opposite side here, there's actually a latch that allows you to close the door and secure it. We've moved over to the laundry room, and on this set of barn doors, we installed specialty glass. We worked with the client to make sure that the glass had the exact style that they were looking for. What's great about this design feature is it allows the natural light from that room to spill over into the hallway. Natural light can really affect the warmth of a home and make it feel more inviting. Now that we've shown you the barn doors, let's review some other great interior door considerations. Of course, the most popular interior door option is a swing door. Our designers will work with you to optimize your traffic pattern throughout the home. Ideally, a door should never open into a hallway, so keep that in mind if you're designing your own floor plan. In this guest bedroom, the client decided to use a pocket door. Pocket doors actually slide into the wall, which is a great space-saving feature. When we're designing your home, we want the door opening to be a minimum of 32 inches wide. But if we find an opportunity to make it 36 inches, we'll do that. That's because we think it makes the most sense. The rooms feel bigger and more inviting. Another key consideration is the type of wall finishes that you choose. This client wanted a finish that was both contemporary and rustic, so they chose a light-colored circle sawn wood planking. All of the builders out there will appreciate our premium grade end match tongue and groove, which makes installation really easy because you don't need to line up the end of the board over a stud. What's unique about this house is the clients chose to run the wood vertically rather than horizontally. You can choose to run it however you want in your new home. When you attach this to the walls, you want to measure where the outlets will be and cut out a space for them accordingly. We had suggested that that same tongue and groove would look terrific on the ceiling finish. Not only does it bounce light off of the ceiling, but it also looks terrific when contrasted with the full log walls. As we head into the garage, I have one last thing to show you. Today's garages are oftentimes heated, And this provides a great opportunity to have a workshop out here, or simply create the flexibility if you're hosting a large event. It's really perfect to finish off this space because there are large windows in this garage. And there are nearly unlimited options when it comes to the wall finishes. But we have to think about priorities. The clients had a few things in mind. They like to use that beautiful wood-burning fireplace in there, so they're gonna stack a lot of firewood. And when they're stacking the firewood, they didn't want it to ding up against anything. That's why we installed a steel wainscoting. Not only is it easy to clean, but no matter how many times it gets dinged by shovels and rakes, it will look good forever. Now let's show you how we installed this. First, we'll frame all the sides beginning with the bottom. We measure and then cut the steel bottom trim piece using metal snips. On the sides, we use J-channel. With both sides complete, we'll install the corrugated metal. We pre-drill where each screw will be attached into the wall behind. Then we begin installing the screws. We put a row along the top and bottom of the metal. The metal is cut to be approximately 1/3 of the overall wall height. This is a good rule of thumb for wainscoting. Once complete, we put a piece of Z-channel along the top and nail it into place. Now we can finish the wall by installing the last piece of tongue and groove. We have a lot more to show you on how this incredible log and timber home was built. There are a lot of great finish details. Right now I am in the gourmet kitchen, which we have yet to cover. So be sure to subscribe so that you catch that episode coming up in the future. Hey guys, one last thing. We have projects under construction through the entire United States and Canada, and we're always looking to connect with high quality builders. So if that sounds like you, then give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.